The benefits of cooking with herb-infused olive oil. This video is for informational purposes only. Herb-infused olive oil is a time-honored culinary tradition that combines the nutritional benefits of extra virgin olive oil with the aromatic and medicinal properties of herbs. Used across the Mediterranean and in holistic cooking practices, infused olive oils enhance flavor while supporting overall wellness. Nutritional benefits. 1. Rich in healthy fats. Extra virgin olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, which help support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol balance. 2. Enhanced antioxidant power. When infused with herbs such as rosemary, thyme, basil, or oregano, olive oil absorbs plant-based antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, support immune health, and protect cells from damage. Herbal wellness advantages. Rosemary and thyme support digestion, improve circulation, and contain antimicrobial compounds. Basil and oregano help reduce inflammation, support respiratory and immune health. Garlic, optional, promotes heart health, supports natural detoxification. Infusing these herbs into olive oil allows their beneficial compounds to be gently released and preserved. Cooking and culinary benefits. Enhances natural flavors without artificial additives, allows lower use of salt and unhealthy fats, versatile for sautéing, roasting, drizzling, and dipping, adds gourmet appeal to everyday meals. Digestive and absorption support. Olive oil helps the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. When combined with herbs, it also supports gentle digestion, nutrient absorption, and gut health. Recipe for basil-infused olive oil, gentle heat method. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh basil leaves, 1 cup extra virgin olive oil, optional 1 to 2 garlic cloves, peeled, optional pinch of red pepper flakes. Instructions: prepare the basil. Wash basil leaves thoroughly and dry completely. This is very important to prevent spoilage. Gently tear or roughly chop the leaves. Warm the oil. Pour olive oil into a small saucepan. Heat on very low heat until just warm. Do not simmer or boil. Infuse. Add basil and garlic, if using, to the warm oil. Keep on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing flavors to release. Cool and strain. Remove from heat and let cool completely. Strain out herbs using a fine strainer or cheesecloth. Bottle and store. Pour into a clean, dry glass bottle. Store in a cool, dark place or refrigerate. Shelf life. Refrigerated 2 to 3 weeks. Room temperature 1 to 2 weeks. Best uses: drizzling over salads, pasta, and tomatoes, light sautéing, and bread dipping. Rosemary-infused olive oil, herb left in bottle method. Ingredients: 2 to 3 fresh rosemary sprigs, 1 to 1½ cups extra virgin olive oil, optional 2 to 3 garlic cloves, peeled. Instructions: prepare the rosemary. Wash rosemary and dry completely. Lightly crush or bruise the sprigs to release oils. Warm the oil. Gently heat olive oil on low heat until warm, not hot. Infuse. Add rosemary and garlic, if using, to the oil. Heat for 5 to 10 minutes, then remove from heat. Bottle with herbs. Carefully pour oil with rosemary still inside into a clean glass bottle. Make sure herbs are fully submerged. Infusion time. Seal the bottle and let it infuse for 5 to 7 days. Store in a cool, dark place or refrigerate. Shelf life. Important safety note: if herbs remain in oil, use within 1 month and refrigeration is recommended. Always discard if the oil smells sour or shows cloudiness unrelated to cold temperature. Best uses: roasted vegetables, grilled meats or tofu, potatoes and focaccia, Mediterranean dishes. Conclusion: cooking with herb-infused olive oil is a simple yet powerful way to elevate both flavor and nutrition. It bridges the gap between food and wellness, making every meal both delicious and nourishing. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel today, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship.